What happens when an athlete feels unfairly dropped from a team? Or when a sports federation faces allegations of unfair decisions? Until now, resolving such disputes could be a long and complicated process. But that may soon change. Today's newspaper reported that the Union Sports Ministry has initiated the process of establishing India's National Sports Tribunal, or NST. This could become one of the biggest sports governance reforms in recent years. According to the report, applications have already been invited for the appointment of tribunal members. And June 18 has been fixed as the last date for submitting applications. But what exactly is the National Sports Tribunal? The newspaper explained that the tribunal will serve as a specialized body dedicated exclusively to resolving sports-related disputes. Instead of dealing with sports cases through multiple administrative channels, the NST will provide a dedicated platform with subject-specific expertise. Why is this important? Because disputes in sports are becoming increasingly common. The article highlighted that issues often arise regarding team selection, disciplinary actions, governance matters, administrative decisions, and eligibility questions. Athletes, coaches, and sports organizations frequently face conflicts that require fair and timely resolution. The Sports Ministry believes a specialized tribunal can help address these challenges more efficiently. The newspaper noted that specialized tribunals are often created when disputes require technical knowledge and expertise in a particular field. Just as tax tribunals handle tax matters and environmental tribunals handle environmental issues, the National Sports Tribunal would focus entirely on sports-related cases. The article highlighted that this move is part of broader efforts to strengthen sports governance in India. Experts believe improved dispute resolution systems can increase transparency, accountability, and trust within the sporting ecosystem. The report also noted that the formal process of constituting the tribunal has now begun, marking an important milestone in sports administration reforms. As India aims to become a stronger sporting nation, institutional reforms are becoming just as important as winning medals. After all, athletes need not only training and facilities, but also fair systems that protect their rights. The newspaper emphasized that the tribunal is expected to support faster and more efficient conflict resolution across sports administration. The biggest question now, can the National Sports Tribunal make India's sports system more transparent, more accountable, and more athlete-friendly? Because building sporting excellence isn't just about performance on the field, it's also about fairness off the field. Stay informed, stay inspired, and follow for more powerful current affairs explainers every day.